this week we're looking to incorporate different green practices into our daily lives. But what would you think about jewelry that has an environmentally friendly kind of, I guess, concept too? Well, Rax Jewelry does just that. Rax designer Jeanty is here to show us more, and she's also brought along a very special person, a Rax ambassador. Hey, Mecca.
Hey, how you doing?
AKA
Grimo.
Grimo. All right. Tell me about your new line.
Well, Trina, today we're bringing you DNA, and DNA is the very essence of Mother Earth. I wanted you to take a look at what it was made out of. Just have NP. We have Tagua, we have Bombona, Cabalonga, and acai season. You probably know a lot about acai.
Yes, you drink a lot, yeah.
Exactly. Well, then you can also wear it. It's not exciting that Mother Earth can actually give you something to eat and something to wear.
All right, well, let's look at your first piece of jewelry on this
correct.
beautiful model. And I'm amazed at what you're doing with these jewelry. So these actually come from a tree or a root?
That is true. It comes from a tree, a palm tree. And we have now raíz, which means root in English. And Eileen is wearing bombona, cabalonga, and tagua. And you can see also the piece of bamboo as well in the earrings. Very chic, very classic, and very hip for the summer. We call it Caribbean eco-chic.
I love
hot, right? But it still has this classic and timeless look to it.
Now, tell me this. How does Mecca, Grimo, get involved in all this? Why did you need an ambassador for this line of jewelry?
Well, because I feel that this is such a strong line, and then anybody that really embraces the line and has the message, then it needs to be called a Rax ambassador.
All right, and Grimo, tell me, why did you feel important that you get involved with this project?
I feel it was very important because, you know, I'm a person that's very organic, especially when we're trying to preserve the earth. We see what's going on with global warming. And so recycling, all of these are important issues. And when I can find accessories, and men like to wear accessories also, we like to look good too.
Well, you're looking good.
I'm trying to, keep up,
You're not trying, you succeeded.
So when you can accessorize yourself from the earth, something that has life, then, the earth has resources for us. And, we can replenish those and look good and magnify your beauty. That's it's a no-brainer, And so due to the fact that I'm an entertainer and I can get the message out, I co-sign the Rax collection movement. And it's just a beautiful thing to just feel vibrant, full of life by the things that you wear also.
Well, you're a good ambassador. Let's take a look at our next model because she's wearing another just absolutely stunning piece.
Correct, Trina. Priscilla is wearing a line called La Palma from DNA, the palm in English. And it actually feels like the movement of the wind in the leaves. So it gives you that flirty look to it. Because remember, it's all organic, but at the same time, it's all advanced. And so this is why she's wearing tagua as well. And you see the colors are different. You have green, orange, and some brown as well. And look at over the earrings, very flirty, very simple, and they're very light.
Yes.
As a matter of fact.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Why did you come up with this line now?
Because the occasion is perfect. We are now in a time that we need to protect the environment, we need to get the message out, and I'm thinking green wear is also somewhere to be green. We have to be green in everything we do.
Alrighty.
So that's why.
So Grimo's wearing some great bracelets. We also have a gentleman. So this is really unisex. He's wearing some great pieces as well.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look at him.
Andy.
Dashing.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Wearing an exotic look, right? So the tagua is a darker blue, and he's also wearing that bracelet that matches the necklace.
I love it. And so often men are afraid to wear jewelry, but you see how Grimo's wearing this in the model? They really look good, and they really have, I don't want to say attitude, but a certain flair with it.
A certain flair to it. And then look at Grimo's Super U bracelet, Trina.
I love that.
And that's the green that you see here is from another line, another project with Corinne. And Corinne has a segment on self-validation. She chat with Corinne. And so we thought we need to have something to remind people of their journey into their Super You.
Fantastic. Okay, let's look at your last two models. We have both of them up there together. And we're just about out of time, so go through them very quickly.
Well, Priscilla is wearing Mi Tierra. It's my land, my earth, my Mother Earth. It's very, very long and very elegant. It was with bamboo as well, with some seeds. All the seeds are married into it. And then we have Eileen wearing another mitiara with the other colors, also very statement piece.
Wonderful. I tell you, I love you bringing this to us today. Well, you can win some of the fabulous Rax jewelry. She's giving away 5 bracelets right now. If you give a call to 954-622-6666 to win your very own power bracelet, just be sure to say Earth Day. And to learn more about this earth-friendly jewelry, go to raxcollection.com or follow them on Facebook at Rax Collection also. She's got a great line. It's in a lot of stores. You're going to love it. Also coming up, we've got a whole lot more coming your way. You're going to want to stick around for that. We will be right back.
Wow.
Get a